exploring the way.
As VPP looks set to stretch its wings in Garo Hills now, Education Minister and NPP leader Rakkam Sangma has admitted that the entry of VPP in Garo Hills will be a big challenge for the NPP. Speaking to media persons, Sangma said that it is not wise for anyone to isolate itself in a particular region or a community, while adding that the VPP has understood the beauty of Meghalaya. He admitted that the entry of VPP in Garo Hills will be a challenge for NPP, as many Congress and TMC leaders are already in talks to join VPP.
The momentum the web have created in the last industry has really maybe keep them energized, ignited, and it is good only. But they're expanding their wings to the Garo. Yes, of course, we know as a political party will be challenge for us, NPP also, that we know, because I've come to know many of the Congress leaders, TMC leaders is also in talks to join from Garo side in the BPP. I heard so many leaders. So maybe, of course, if they really work well, will be really challenge for us too also, that we also understand. But we will decide tomorrow.